India's coronavirus cases and deaths hit a new record with 3.49 lakh fresh infections, taking the caseload to 1.69 crore. 2,767 people died in the last 24 hours. Hospitals in the country are overwhelmed. SOS messages have flooded social media. This is the fourth straight day that India has recorded over 3 lakh COVID cases and over 2,000 deaths. The country has been recording more than 2 lakh cases every day since April 15th. Many top hospitals in Delhi in the last 48 hours have sent out SOS messages over medical oxygen shortage. 25 people died at Jaipur Golden Hospital due to low oxygen pressure on Friday. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Saturday wrote to all chief ministers requesting them to provide oxygen to Delhi if they have spare. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday held yet another high-level meet amid frantic appeals from across the nation as patients struggle to get hospital beds and other essential facilities. The government has waived off custom duty on import duty of vaccines and medical oxygen for a period of 3 months. This, the centre said, will boost availability of these items as well as make them cheaper. Karnataka and Bengal recorded the highest single-day surge in cases in the last 24 hours. Karnataka recorded nearly 30,000 COVID-19 and state capital Bangalore also reported its biggest ever single-day COVID surge with over 17,000 new cases. Bengal logged 14,281 new COVID cases, the most in a day, and nearly double the 7,713 reported just 1 week ago. Politicians have been criticized for holding rallies in the state amid a nationwide surge in COVID cases. While Maharashtra logged over 67,000 fresh cases, Mumbai saw a drop in cases for the first time in 6 days with 5,888 new infections. This is the lowest daily addition to its caseload since March 31st, when 5,394 new cases were detected, and it is the first time since April 12 that the number of the new daily cases is below the 7,000 mark. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Saturday said Serum Institute CEO Adar Poonawalla has assured of maximum support to ensure maximum vaccination at the earliest in the state. A strict lockdown was announced in Maharashtra, the first hit state to break the chain of transmission. Several nations have expressed support as COVID cases soar in India. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said that he was looking at what he could do to help India, where the coronavirus pandemic is entering a deadly new phase with which its health services are struggling to cope. Worldwide, the number of COVID cases has surged to 14.5 crore. More than 30 lakh people have died and 1 billion doses of vaccinations have been administered so far. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant visited JMC to review COVID-19 management on Saturday. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant said.
ऑक्सिजन कमी जावचे न्ही म्हणजे फाटले 3 दिसा पयलीं आमकां खंय तरी थोडोसो ऑक्सिजन कमी जाला आतां आमी मेंटेन केला वेगवेगळ्या 4 एजन्सीज वेगवेगळे गोंयांत स्वता ऑक्सिजन जनरेट करता ते आमकां दिता आमकां जो अलाव केला तो कोल्हापूरच्यान आमी ऑलरेडी हाडपाक सुरू केलो 11 दिसांचो पण तरी सुद्दां 2 इन्सिडंट्स महाराष्ट्रांतले जाल्या उपरांत आमकां अलर्ट जावपाक जाय तर त्या सीएसांनी सांगला की अलर्ट जावपाची गरज आसा आमी फायर स्टेशनची एक गाडी हांगा तर आतां हांगा स्टेशन करतले जेणेकरून सगळ्यो प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपाच्या दृश्टीन आमी काम करता हांगा आसतली ईएसआय हॉस्पिटल मार्गांव डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांनी बी सगळे ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द प्रिकॉशन्स आमी पेशंटाच्या बाबतीत घेता आता जस्ट आमी चेक करताले की आमचे जे ऑक्सिजन कडले दोनूय कडल्यान मेन तेजो कोविड वार्डाकूय वयता आनी जेएमसीकूय वयता तेजेर आनी इन फ्युचर आमचे जो टँक येवपाचे एक प्लांट आमचो पीएम केअर फंडाच्या अंडर येवपाचो आसा सुपर सह्याद्री निवासाक तेकॉन जस्ट हे विचारतो फुडल्या 15 मे पर्यंत जातलो असो अंदाज आसा पूर्ण जावपाचो आणि अदरवायज ऑल्सो आम्ही आमची 30,000ची टँक आसा सुपर स्पेशलिटीची ती बी फिल करून सुपर स्पेशलिटीनी हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान ऑलरेडी सांगला की आम्ही 15 मे पर्यंत ऑलरेडी खंयतरी पेशंट जे आसा शिफ्ट करपाची आमच्या तयारीन आसा.
In Goa, 1,540 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 24th April 2021. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, Goa's recovery rate is 82.61%. 485 people recovered in last 24 hours. 17 new deaths reported today. In total, 993 deaths reported till 24th April 2021. Active cases in the state now stands at 12,078. Breakup of total 12,078 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa, CSC Bicholim 257, CSC Sake 329, CSC Pernem 246, CSC Vadpai 177, USC Mapsa 753, USC Ponji 773, PSC Aldona 198, PSC Bedki 85, PSC Kandolim 1042, PSC Kansarvarnem 69, PSC Korwai 235, PSC Kollim 212, PSC Chimpal 433, PSC Shuolim 359, PSC Porvorim 965, PSC Mayam 101, Travelers by road flight train 27. South Goa, CSC Kurchorim 228, CSC Kankona 208, USC Marka 1221, USC Vasco 716, PSC Pali 233, PSC Kansaulim 417, PSC Chenchenem 163, PSC Kortalim 705, PSC Kurtorim 186, PSC Lutolim 206, PSC Marsaim 126, PSC Kapam 158, PSC Sangam 118, PSC Shiroda 142, PSC Darbandara 138, PSC Ponda 652, PSC Navilim 200. Bed capacity in COVID care center are as follows. District North, total capacity 275, current vacancy 165. District South, total capacity 180, current vacancy 92. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.